Amazon's gla.ss fears hundreds of cool plants, hundreds of employees. While the rest of the country obsesses over Amazon's next headquarters, the tech giant opened some futuristic new digs right in its backyard. On Monday, Amazon opened the giant glass structure, Spheres in downtown Seattle. The complex features a giant sphere that's 90 feet tall and 130 feet in diameter, flanked by two smaller spheres. The spheres can house up to 800 Amazon employees and will boast more than 400 botanical species, treehouse meeting rooms, a river and waterfalls, and a greenbird's nest conference room. The idea is that we connect them with nature, said Ron Gagliardo, leading horticulturist at Amazon. We get them away from their normal desk environment so you don't see any desks or cubicles around. The buildings are for Amazon employees only, but shops by the entrance will be open to the public, and the building will be part of Amazon's public tours once it opens. The opening highlights a busy month for the online retail giant. On Tuesday, Amazon, Berkshire Hathaway and J.P. Morgan Chase & Company announced the corporate giants are combining efforts to improve healthcare for their U.S. employees. Earlier this month, Amazon unveiled the 20 finalists for its coveted second headquarters. Cities including Los Angeles, New York and Washington, D.C. are among them. Last week, Amazon opened its first grocery store, Amazon Go, featuring no cashiers and the ability to purchase items via app. More, the Amazon Go store, tetchy cool or creepy weird? Contributing, Associated Press. Follow Brett Molina on Twitter, @BrettMoline23.